If your X or Twitter app keeps sending you alerts every time someone you follow posts, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to stop those post notifications. This is a simple way to clean up your notifications and keep your phone from getting flooded with updates you do not want. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fast social media tutorials. Let's get started. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to open the full menu. This is where X keeps a lot of the account and app settings that are not visible on the main screen. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. This section controls your account, privacy security, and notification preferences, so this is the area you need to change if you want to customize what X sends you. After that, click on Notifications. This will take you to all the notification controls for your account, including push alerts, email notifications, and activity preferences. Now click on Preferences. This is where X organizes the different notification options so you can choose exactly what types of alerts you want to receive. From there, click on Push Notifications. Push notifications are the alerts that appear on your device in real time. So this is the setting that controls those instant pop-ups and phone alerts. Once you are inside push notification settings, find Posts and toggle it off. This will stop notifications whenever people you follow post on X, giving you a much quieter notification feed and fewer unnecessary alerts. And that's it. You have now turned off post notifications from people you follow on X or Twitter. If this video saved you time, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials like this one.